Welcome back. We're back on the drawer system today. The handles have just arrived. Now these probably won't be my finished handles. I'm probably going to put some recessed ones in there. But because we're going away this week, I just wanted to put something on so I can open the drawer really. So those have been done, and also the fabric has arrived. And this is 4-way stretched fabric, which means it stretches that way, that way, that way. It stretches in 4 ways basically. Now, as you can see, this is all bolted down. So I was going to take these out and cover this in situ. But the only problem with that is, if I needed to take it off in the future, I wouldn't be able to get to these screws. So what I've decided is to strip all this down, take it all off, cover it, let it dry, and then put it back on and then screw it down. I know I will, I know the screw heads will be showing, however it's only an old Land Rover and it doesn't matter, and I think it just kind of future proofs it. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to take all these tie rings off, take the screws out, get the top off, cover it, let it dry, do the same for this one, and then the sides here, just to stop anything falling in here, rolling in under the drawers and possibly causing a clog. And I don't mean a Dutch shoe. I'm just going to put some fabric over here because A, it keeps it nice and lightweight. I don't need to put any wood there, and the only purpose it's serving is just to stop things rolling underneath there. So we'll do that the same both sides, same on this side. I've also fitted my tie downs turnbuckles, so I've got 2 at the front, 2 at the back, and they will fit nicely onto the original Land Rover tie down rings in the boot. Now the back here, this is my kind of secret compartment. Eventually I will line this in fabric, probably not before we go away, and then I don't know what to do here. I don't know if just have the fabric coming down just to have it hanging, or create some kind of door on a hinge. But anyway, that probably won't be done. That'll be done later, same time as the fridge slide. But anyway, let's strip this down and get trimming. Right, so I've cut the fabric just a little bit bigger than the board, so I'm going to spray the adhesive on both sides, then wait till it goes tacky and then put it on. Wish me luck. There you go. So I just need to let it dry, cut the holes out. Quite easy to do really. And a good repeater style. Here's one I did earlier. The drawers in the truck. Pretty happy with them. So I need to cover the fronts. The handles will be different because these are quite tight up against the door, although that's not a bad thing because it stops the drawers opening. The turn down buckles nice and tight, can't move it at all. Drawers open really well. So this will be covered in the four-way stretch carpet all the way up to here, so these will be all black. Same as this one. I'm also going to get some U-channel to put on the sides, and then I can have dividers for each drawer, maybe a couple in each drawer. Stop things rolling around. Got the tie down turnbuckle on the rear. Again, it's not going anywhere. And there's the seeker compartment, and now I've got them installed I can see there's not going to be any room to have any hinged flap in here, so I'm guessing I'm just going to put some fabric. Just hang the carpet, then you can just put your hand in, grab what you want, but there's a bit of room there for storing stuff. Well, the drawers are all covered now. nice carpeted soft interior. Stop things rattling around. So eventually again I'll have my dividers in here.